Oh, yeah, man, thank God. Our brothers and sisters are finally arrived back at home.
The Jamaicans with over 1,044 people on board the Royal Caribbean ship is finally in Jamaica. Dock today at Falmouth, and we are going to talk about that.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
So people, as you know, my mother is aboard. Them finally get allowed for dock today at Falmouth. After some back and forth with the government, back and forth with the company itself, back and forth with the captain, everything work out. And I'm glad, I'm happy. And I don't want nobody feel like say when I forward out and talk, me I look at hype or nothing like that. I don't want nobody feel like say when I forward out and talk, me I do this for a cloud. You know how hard it is for know say my mother dey on board one small ship. Well, the ship itself big, but the cabin small, little, you can hardly twist and turn in it. And she lock up for like a month and add in a one cabin. Can't go nowhere, can't move, can't 7 or 11. You see me? So we won't forward out and speak with mine like that. We just talk because we know the situation go. You see me? But enough after that, I'm not forward for bash the government. I'm not forward for bash nobody. I'm just glad say she reach home. Well, I mean, she's not physically home yet, you know. But at least she dock up a Falmouth. Them are gonna do them process thing, and you know it go. Them can't just let them out like that. So them are gonna start take them off the ship. That's the 21st. So them are say them are gonna take them off by batches of 200. So them take off 200 now, and between the next 48 to 72 hours them take off the next 200. So I guess it'll take a little while for them finally get off and they home. But at least that's a start. You see me? And I'm grateful for that. Now, I have some little clips of when the ship are coming, because you know, say even though the family member of the people on board, you know, them know say them not go see them loved one today. But just to how them eager to see them loved one, them gather at the Falmouth Pier. You know, some people take video, some people take picture and them thing. They may have the clippings. But I just want to thank everybody who share the video them, and we actually, you know, keep me in your prayers. Keep my mother in them prayers. You see me? And everybody with the pan that ship. Because it's not easy, it's rough, enough thing go on. But as I say, not talk about the negative, we are talk about the positive. So check out these few clips.
Oh, yeah, man, thank God. Our brothers and sisters are finally arrived back at home. Yeah, man. Adventures of the seas with over 1,000 Jamaicans are finally reach home right at Falmouth, yes, sir. Right at Falmouth Pier. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see the action there.
So people, if for the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. I mean, if you are watching on Facebook, don't forget to follow the page at Dancehall IG 1.0. You don't know the thing. If you are watching on YouTube at Chaddy TV, just know say it's a little link I go on right so. So when you see my video over Dancehall IG page, you just follow the page, see when you comment and share and do all of those lovely things. Alright, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram, because that's my page. That's my Instagram page, yeah, Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out. One way, and any other way, or the wrong way. I'm gone.